Signs of conception. As most of you might already know that when a woman's egg is fertilized by a sperm cell, roughly, it takes around 24 hours. After this, the fertilized egg travels through the fallopian tube for about 3 to 4 days, and reaches the uterus. After this, the fertilized egg implants itself in the uterus lining and then a placenta is formed. During the entire process, your body produces human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, or pregnancy hormone. It is this substance that is responsible for triggering all the signs and symptoms associated with conception or pregnancy. Early signs of pregnancy. Considering the number of days between ovulation and fertilization, the signs of conception can be noticed. At times, some women will experience the signs in the first few weeks of conception. On the other hand, many notice the changes after 3 weeks to a month. Nonetheless, if you suspect that you're pregnant, perhaps having knowledge about the signs can put your mind at ease. Spotting. Being one of the earliest signs, spotting usually occurs a few days before your menstrual cycle. After only 10 to 12 days of ovulating, the mild bleeding occurs as the egg burrows itself into the uterus lining. The bleeding is often pinkish or brownish in color, and light in flow, and shouldn't last for a long time. Missed period. Missing your menstrual cycle is the biggest sign. However, a few other reasons of skipping a menstrual period can include illness, stress, hormone imbalance, and reactions to certain food or medication. Fatigue. Fatigue is a symptom of many illnesses. However, after conception, fatigue is one of the most commonly occurring signs. The degree of fatigue may be different from one woman to another. Some women face extreme fatigue, while others experience only a little. Nausea. Nausea can carry on throughout the pregnancy and is usually accompanied by morning sickness. However, in the earlier stage of conception, nausea can occur at any time in the day or night. Tender or swollen breasts. Feeling of tenderness in the nipples and breasts is a common symptom of conception and an early pregnancy symptom. This tenderness occurs due to hormone imbalance. Once the hormone levels adjust themselves, the tenderness will disappear. Frequent urination. The change in hormone levels is responsible for frequent urination, which is caused due to implantation. You may notice the change around 6th or 8th week of conception. Basal body temperature. The body temperature elevates at the time of implantation. Other signs may also include cramping, constipation, backache, mood swings, dizziness, and fainting. It is important that as soon as you notice even a single symptom, you get yourself checked by a doctor. There is a possibility that the symptoms occur due to other causes. However, if you are sexually active, it is important that you are careful about these symptoms.